Hi, I'm Anna. Talking with vendor. Mother asked me to take some vegetables from the vendor. She needs them for preparing lunch. She is in a hurry today. So I will wait for the vendor. He will be here shortly. I will buy some vegetables and then I will go the center. Oh uncle, come here.
Wait. Coming in a minute. What do you want? Fruits or vegetables?
Tell me what all you have.
Why don't you see my basket? It's here only.
Okay, I will check.
Be careful. Don't mix it up.
I want 1 kilogram bitter gourd and some ginger also.
Okay, bitter gourd 80 rupees per kilogram and ginger for 100 rupees per kilogram.
Is it? It's too much.
If you want it, take it. Don't waste my time. I have to sell all this.
Give me half kilogram bitter gourds and 250 grams ginger.
Okay, here are your bitter gourds and ginger. Give 50 rupees.